our first Barbie school shoes. So, girl na girl ang kanyang school shoes this year.
Wow! It has butterflies.
Kasi nasira na yung kanyang shoe, so it's time to buy a new one.
Because I'm starting wearing my backpack.
No more trolleys. Let's try kung ilang books ang kaya.
Super spacious.
Oy, nice, huh?
Wow.
Wow.
I like the design. I can put my notes here. To unbox my pencil case. It's capybara. I like capybara because it's so cute. Let's check. So cute. There's a pin.
Oh,
I can stick over here, or I can stick on my pad, on my pencil case.
Stickers. Excited to take this one. Ako din. Shining, shimmering,
Look,
splendid.
I like this shot.
Childhood nostalgia for me. Kasi Snoopy pa ito ba? So, kilala mo si Snoopy?
Yeah, the dog.
Yes.
The white dog.
Sa elementary.
The white dog.
Okay, let's open.
Amazing.
Smiggle, where a smile meets a giggle. Magaling Smiggle. That's what Smiggle means.
Oh, eagle.
Yeah. Where a smile meets a giggle. Smiggle.
There's a tag in there.
Attach lunch bag connects to the attached folder. Sa front. Ay, niyo, pwede mo din di ba backpack mo, pwede mo i-attach din mo na lunch bag.
Oh, unicorn.
Barbie.
And Barbie. It's spacious. Next one, I got unicorn.
Cute.
Unicorn again. And cookies. I got princess.
Cat.
And Sanrio.
Rio.
This bag is super spacious.
Yeah, it's worthy. Of course, lain na imo paper.
So many.
1 whole pad,
1 whole pan.
1/2 crosswise,
1/2 crosswise.
1/2 lengthwise,
1/2 lengthwise.
and 1/4.
And 1/4. Bag. Time for my aqua flask because my old water bottle is broken. So I buy a new one. It's back to school. I hope you are excited like me. I hope you're so happy when you're preparing your school things too. I wish you have a great school year. Whatever school supplies you have, be happy. Thank you for watching our video. Comment and like and subscribe. Follow us in Facebook